Hey, Kate here with WTI. If you're big on outdoor adventures, but you want more storage space when you go, check out this ATV storage bag from KEMIMOTO. Now, this thing is huge. It has an 83-liter capacity, and that's through the several different pieces as well as a cooler bag. Everything comes collapsed. You put it together yourself. Each wall maintains its structure really well, so it comes with all of these firm panels, and you insert them into a zippered compartment, and you can see just how solid it is. The closures themselves have no zippers, so I really like that. It feels like it's gonna last long term. All of the tops seal over the sides, and then they all clip together. It also makes it so it's very easy to access what's inside. You can put all sorts of things in here. If you're going camping for a weekend, you can have all of your gear, your tools, your clothing, your food. It's also waterproof, so you can use this in all seasons. It has a waterproof cover on it, so you can attack any situation and feel confident your gear will stay dry. This is a pretty universal fit. I believe it has about 10 clips, so you can attach it to the back of your quad. It also has a comfortable seat cushion. You can leave it down or you can clip it back. The material feels really high quality, very sturdy. You can also choose to attach or detach different bags. So depending how much storage you want, how much weight you want to put on your quad, you can customize it for your trip. Overall, we're really impressed with the storage this adds. It's perfect for a weekend trip. You have room for all your stuff, and it looks really great too in this camo color. I think you'll be thrilled with it, and that's my point of view.